Okay, what this is what people call the Chinese 12,000 stone, but this is the one that was sold, I want to say 10, 11, 12 years ago, around that point, give or take a couple of years. And when you're reading old forum threads about these things, and they're talking about orange veins and all that stuff, and then you look at the ones online and they don't look like that at all, it's because I think they just changed what they were putting in the box altogether, because this is what they originally looked like. And this, I wouldn't call it hard like some people did, but it's a very dense stone. Like this stone is 5 and 14/16 by 1 and 21/22 by 1 and 11/30, but it weighs like 700 plus grams. So it's a dense little stone. It's slow. It'll take probably as many laps to finish a razor as something like an Arkansas stone will. Very slow. Doesn't have much in the way of feedback. And yeah, it's a relic from modern wet shavings past. The good old people's home of indeterminate grit. The original orange veined, because that made it special. Chinese 12K. It's not 12K, believe me. But you can shave off of it. That's fine. Really have nothing else to say. Thanks, guys.